In this video, I'll show you how to register with Tech Markets, verify your account, and finally connect to Phantom. So please click on the link from the person who showed you all of this. Then you'll arrive at this interface and just fill everything in here. I'm just going to do this as a placeholder now. I've already done all of this before. There we go. All right, done. You simply need to click on everything presented here and then proceed to click on the Register Now button. So the email confirmation is here for you. Please just confirm it once to proceed. Then you'll be logged in right away. You'll find verification up here in the field marked in red. You see upload documents here. Just click on it and go through the verification process. So name, address, upload your ID card or driver's license, etc. So you just go through everything here once. Then at the end, turn your face to the left, right, up, and down. You can also do this on your phone if you like. Yeah, if I click continue on phone here, then you can scan this here or do it here on the PC. Yeah, done. I'll just enter everything here. Here, issue. Where is the document from? Driver's license, ID card, residence permit, or passport. You don't have to upload any proof of address. That's already very, very good. Yeah, it's a low KYC. Then you're in right away. I'm going to exit here now because so I can't show you anything in this account. I've already registered before. That was just provisional, so you can see how it works. Then after registration, you have this interface here, right? Then you only need to add funds here just once. So you can easily top up your wallet balance by simply clicking on the deposit button located here. Then you can decide here, do you want to use a bank transfer or crypto? Yeah. Now in this case, just as an example, okay? You click on 500, then here you can choose crypto, Visa, MasterCard, bank, so you can select anything. So if you want to do a bank transfer in euros, then of course select euro. And I think bank transfer only works from 900 upwards, here under bank wire. And here, just fill everything out and deposit the money if you want to do it by bank. It takes 2 to 3 business days. With crypto, it's instant. So here, deposit, I'll show you again, USD, just to show you as an example. Here, $100 in crypto. And then you will proceed to carefully select the submit button. Following this, you will need to choose the appropriate currency from the available options presented to you. For example, if you are working with Theta, you will then specify which particular blockchain network this transaction will be conducted on. Once these crucial details have been confirmed, you can then initiate the transfer process. Solana, for example, this is just an example, okay? You transfer it, and then it shows up here within a few minutes. Once you've done that, you click here on Real and create a real account. A trading account, okay? You have a wallet, but not yet a trading account. You enter your password here, your account password, click on submit request, and just like that, you've created an account, right? Here you can see the account details. So now you have this number here, right? Now you can see your account here. Here, let me zoom in, your account number. Then you proceed as follows. If you look at internal transfers here from my wallet, here is an amount to the account you just created. Enter the amount down here. So starting from $100, it's possible to go into Phantom. Then enter your profile password again here. Click on Submit Request, Submit Request. Then the money is here in the balance, right? Then it's visible here. Here you can see it's gone. So in this particular instance, it's gone, and then it's been successfully credited. Once it has been fully credited here, you will then proceed to invest, specifically navigating to the investor dashboard. From there, you need to click on the option to create investor, then proceed to click on Phantom, and finally carefully select the precise account where the monetary funds are readily available. Yes, then amount to invest. Yes, it's possible starting from 100. Yes, enter 1000. So your wallet, how it works, how it proceeds. Then your trading account password, right? The trading account password, I can show it again if you like. Yes, we just saw it briefly earlier. Now we've seen it. Or you can click here when you're on the front. So here on the dashboard, click here again, and then on view password. Then you'll see your password as well. So if you copy this now, go to invest, investor dashboard and then to create investor. This is where the password needs to go, right? Select Phantom. Here, the account, the amount, yes, and then submit. Then your account is created. I will now switch between different browsers once again so that I can thoroughly demonstrate to you one more time precisely what the visual representation looks like. Subsequently, under the prominent section labeled Invest, if I proceed to click on Invest just a single time, navigating to the Investor dashboard, you will then observe the Phantom actively displayed here along with the corresponding profit, correct? Then you can simply click here as well. You can deposit here, add more funds, and withdraw if you want to cash out, right? However you like, right? Here under positions, you can go to closed positions to review the trades and see what has happened. So gold is being traded, and occasionally, if the weekend looks good for crypto, crypto is also traded from time to time. Yeah? This is now a transitional variation according to tech markets until the 15th of September. Starting from the 15th of September, we will also have the option, because this is a PAM, right? I don't want to confuse you here, but a PAM is a pooled trading account managed as a single account. And there will be an innovation which is also unique in the market. There will be a MAM. Then you'll also have the credentials, meaning your login details for MetaTrader 5, and you can also trade yourself in a pooled account. That's one of a kind. No one else out there has this. Plus, you get your capital multiplied by 12. So it really makes a huge difference compared to everyone else. So I hope this video was insightful. Otherwise, feel free to contact the person who sent you this video. I wish you happy profits.